Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix save in chat option in Snapchat. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager right here on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it and then click on force stop and click on force stop. This app may stop working properly if you stop it, but you have to click here. After you stop the app, now click here on the storage, click on clear cache like this and click on clear data. Click delete. Now all what you want to do is go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and then disable it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later, thank you so much.